Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to add all your Instagram following on Threads. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is to launch your Threads account. This is what it looks like. Now you just have to simply go to your profile here, and below your username, tap followers, and then you just have to go to following. Okay, so as you can see here, I haven't followed anyone. And if you want to add the people you have followed on Instagram, you just have to read this: see others you're following on Instagram that you're not following on Threads yet. So these are the accounts you follow on Instagram, and all you have to do is to click follow. Okay, you can also click this follow all and just click confirm so that you can follow all the people you have followed on Instagram. But of course, not all of these people have Threads account. So if you tap this follow to that someone who has no thread, something will pop up or a message will pop that says you will automatically follow the rec when they join Threads. So yes, you just have to tap follow here. Okay, just tap follow beside their name. And again, if they don't have Threads account yet, you will automatically follow them once they have created their account. So those people you have followed on Instagram, some of them they don't have an account on Threads yet, but you can follow them one by one, or you can click follow all. And that's how easy it is to add all your Instagram following on Threads. And you just have to wait for others to create their own threads, and you will automatically follow them. As easy as that. So I do really hope this video helped you. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.